How to transfer money between Capital One accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to move money between your Capital One accounts, well, here is how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and out here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here once you see the interface like this, you can simply click on sign in option which can be seen at the top right corner of the screen, and after that on the next page you simply have to enter your username and password to log into your account, and there once logged in simply find and click on the transfer options from the top menu or the side navigation bar, and after that simply choose the account you want to transfer from and then select the account you want to transfer to, and this both should be Capital One accounts under your name. And here, once you're done with that, simply enter the amount you want to transfer and pick whether it's one-time transfer or a recurring one. And then choose the transfer date. And after that, simply double check the details. And when you are ready, just click submit or confirm or transfer to complete the transaction. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your Capital One accounts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.